Hey everybody, welcome to jump rope lesson number 4 today. I hope you're practicing the basics in rope jumping. You can never get enough of the basics. Today is kind of really looking at kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2 for kids who don't jump the rope properly yet. But what I'm showing you, you can also do if you do know how to jump the rope with your friends or your parents. And parents, this video is for you too, because I'm going to show you some things that I would do in the classroom if I had a kid who couldn't jump rope. One type of non-jump roper is someone who gallops over the rope. There's a second type that double jumps. So when the rope turns one time, they jump twice. But what you want, and both of these are fine, but what you want to do is become a single rope jumper, which means when you turn the rope, you only jump once. If you want to learn how to do peppers, you can only jump the rope once per turn. Here's one kind of beginner jumper who gallops over the rope. And when they gallop, they're probably strong on one foot instead of using both equally. Here's a second kind of jumper, somebody who double jumps. Those are two beginner jumpers. That's okay, but you want to become a single rope jumper. Because you want to be able to do peppers. You can't do peppers if you're galloping. You can't really do peppers if you're double jumping. Single rope. That's what you want to become. So Annie's a good jumper already, but I'm pretending she's a beginner. And we need to jump together so she can become a single rope jumper. She's looking forward. She's going to learn how to jump a full rotation. So we're going to be jumping together at the same time. And I do this with my students in class if they can't turn the rope and jump at the same time. Please start proper. Hands in front. Ready. And
hey, wait, stay out of the way.
go both ways. Feel the rhythmic circle. Oh, ready, bend your knees, and sometimes you need to move with them if they start moving. Let's try that again, Annie. Face me. Ready, and here's number 3. She's behind me. Kids have different success. Oh, don't jump it. I'm going to throw it behind you. Don't jump it. I'm going to throw it behind you. Don't jump it. I'm going to start the same way. But now she's behind me. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Start right. Try single jumps, only one jump at a time. Single jumps a little bit faster. Ready? Jump. So no double jumps, just jump once, okay? Ready? It's hard not to double jump. Now you're double jumping. Jump once only. I'll get you, don't worry. Turn around and look at me. One jump only. I didn't even turn it yet. There it is. Behind me. Face me. Don't jump. Can you turn backwards? Turn back.
Am I done?
Ready, and... Ron, we had a good one before. Our practice. And... let's do one more. Almost had like 3 there, I think. Ready? And... I showed this really fast today. It's hard to show beginner jumpers when Annie and Maisie are not beginner jumpers. They're intermediate and getting much better now. Everything I showed you can be done if you can skip rope or if you can't skip rope. I can't stress enough. Start every jump the same way. You see me putting my hands in front of me, bending my knees, doing great big shoulder circles over my head to get the same loop each time. Be patient. Do it right the first time. Thanks for watching.